In this chapter, we're going to cover the things that you'll need to consider for designing your audio shelves. The first step in creating your audio shelf is the design. Consider the function of the shelf. Will it be used for audio-video components such as receivers and DVD players? Will it be a TV stand? Or will it be used as a media shelf for CDs and DVDs? You'll find that the simplicity of these shelves can open up many different possibilities. Here are a few examples of design possibilities using some illustrations. This is the basic shelf with 4 threaded rods, the same shelves that we're building in this DVD. In this design, the shelves are staggered. There are 2 threaded rods on either side and a single rod going through the middle. The shelves in this design use 3 rods and levels that are almost triangular. Depending on the size and number of levels, these could be used as a TV stand or an audio shelf that would fit nicely in the corner of a room. Here's a shelf that could be used as an entertainment center. Notice that there's a supporting rod in the middle of the long part of one shelf, but it's not visible from the top. Further on in this DVD, I'll show you a technique to create a support without the protruding washer and nut on the top. Expanding the previous design could create a full-size entertainment center as shown here. For building audio shelves, I'm going to choose a length and width that will easily fit most audio devices such as receivers and DVD players. Now these devices are typically 17 to 19 inches wide, and they can vary in depth and height depending on the particular unit. It's a good idea for you to measure your components when deciding on the dimensions of your shelves. I'm going to make the shelves 24 inches wide and 18 inches deep. This will allow enough space on the sides and will be deep enough to easily hold most audio components. The maximum height of the shelves will be determined by the length of the threaded rods. I'm going to use rods that are 36 inches long, which will make my audio shelf around 3 feet tall. In calculating the height, make sure to leave enough airspace for devices that generate a lot of heat, especially amplifiers and receivers. The hotter your devices run, the more space you'll need to allow for this heat to dissipate. Take some time now to think about the design of your audio shelf and the size needed for your audio-video components.